Hello everyone, welcome back to chatgpt TV. If you love chocolate, then you're in the right place today. In this video, we're going to talk about one of Japan's most popular and premium chocolates, the Royce chocolate bar. So what makes Royce chocolate so special? Why do people line up for it, buy it as gifts, and even take it home as souvenirs from Japan? Let's talk about it. Royce is a Japanese chocolate brand that started in Hokkaido, the northern part of Japan. Hokkaido is famous for its clean environment and high-quality milk, and this is one of the biggest secrets behind Royce chocolate. The fresh milk from Hokkaido gives the chocolate a rich, creamy, and smooth texture that melts easily in your mouth. One thing that makes Royce different from many other chocolates is its perfect balance of flavor. It's not overly sweet, and it's not too bitter either. Japanese chocolate culture focuses on subtle taste and elegance, and Royce follows this philosophy very well. When you eat a Royce chocolate bar, the flavor feels soft, clean, and refined. Now let's talk specifically about the Royce chocolate bars. These bars come in many varieties, including milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and nut-filled bars. Some include almonds, hazelnuts, puffed rice, or crunchy cookies, which add a nice texture to every bite. You don't just taste chocolate, you experience different layers of flavor and crunch. Another reason Royce chocolate bars are so popular is their quality ingredients. Royce is known for carefully selecting cocoa beans and other ingredients, and they avoid overpowering artificial flavors. This attention to detail is one reason why people trust the Royce brand. Royce chocolate is also strongly connected to Japanese gift culture. In Japan, giving food as a gift is very common, especially chocolate. Royce chocolate bars are beautifully packaged in simple, elegant designs, making them perfect for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. You'll often see people buying Royce chocolate at airports, department stores, and souvenir shops. Even though Royce chocolate is considered premium, many people believe it is worth the price. You're not just paying for chocolate, you're paying for craftsmanship, quality, and a special experience. Royce is also famous worldwide for its Nama chocolate, but the chocolate bars are more convenient. They don't need refrigeration, they last longer, and they're easy to carry when traveling. So if you ever visit Japan, or if you find Royce chocolate bars in an international store, I highly recommend trying them. It's a great way to experience the taste of Japanese chocolate culture. That's all for today's video on chatgpt TV. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Let me know in the comments, have you tried Royce chocolate before? Or which flavor do you want to try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.